Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. The Nubia brand, owned by the Chinese company ZTE, introduced the Red Magic 8 Pro and Red Magic 8 Pro Plus gaming smartphones. The novelties have a lot in common in terms of features and appearance, although there are differences regarding battery capacity, maximum RAM and high-speed charging power. Both models are equipped with a Snapdragon 8 General 2 chipset in a duet with a proprietary Red Magic R2 chip that allows you to customize game effects such as sound detail, colors, touch sensitivity, and vibration feedback. The 6.8-inch AMOLED screen of smartphones has Full HD Plus resolution, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a touch sampling rate of up to 960 Hz. The front-facing 16-megapixel selfie camera is located under the display, like the previous Red Magic 7 Pro model. On the back of the smartphones is a triple camera setup including a 50 megapixels 1/1.57 inches Samsung ISO CELLGN5 sensor with a 1.0 micrometers pixel size, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle module with a 120 degrees field of view, and a 2 megapixels macro sensor. Smartphones received an efficient ICE 11.0 cooling system, which includes several layers of graphite sheets and an evaporation chamber with a volume of 2068 mm 3. The side-mounted fan has a rotation speed of 20,000 revolutions per minute, and the graphite sheet removes heat from the entire screen. The Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro features a 6000 mAh battery, the most powerful battery in the Nubia Red Magic series. With support for 80W charging, it only takes 35 minutes to recharge from 0 to 100%. The Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro Plus model has a smaller battery capacity 5000 mAh. The capacity had to be reduced to support faster 165W charging. The downsizing of the battery has freed up space for components that provide power distribution, security management and overall protection. Nubia has reportedly also improved the design of smartphones to provide better connectivity between the 9 separate antennas in the case. There is a 3.5mm audio jack at the top of the case, and a USB-C port for charging at the bottom. The trigger keys have a 520 Hz polling rate. This concludes the review. Bye bye.